The following tutorial describes how our multi-plan discount program, a smart way to save more when you bundle DS Core Care plans. Let's begin. The discount works the same way. It's applied automatically when 3 or more eligible contracts are active. The discount is removed if fewer than 3 DS Core Care contracts remain. Once the requirement is met again, the discount is reapplied automatically and shown on the next invoice. The discount is available to all running contracts, so you might see discounts with your next invoice. But please note that previously issued invoices are not changed retroactively. So if you qualify for the discount today, it will show on the next invoice. Previous invoices that were already issued will not be adjusted or credited. The discount applies to monthly paid contracts only. Prepaid contracts or contracts in the first free year do count towards the 3-contract requirement, however, those aren't discounted. Let us take a look at the fully automated process. When the conditions are met and a third device has been protected with DS Core Care, the discount is added. Please note that prepaid contracts and contracts in the first free year aren't discounted, but they do count towards the 3-contract threshold. Once confirmed, DS Core will show a blue notification stating that the discount is applied. The discount will also be shown on the next invoice. If the conditions are no longer met, the discount is removed. Now, let's look at the North America program, which has a few additional details. Since DS Core Care in the United States and Canada is offered in a basic and premium version, the requirements for the discount are slightly different. If you have 3 or more active DS Core Care premium contracts under one DS Core account, you receive a 20% discount on your net monthly DS Core Care fees. In the United States and Canada, the following contracts count toward the 3-contract minimum.
All DS Core Care premium contracts.
And this is the important part. DS Core Care basic contracts for PrimeScan 2, PrimeScan 2 Cart, and PrimeScan Connect. These basic contracts are included because contracts for these devices are only offered with DS Core Care basic plans. If a DS Core Care basic contract is upgraded to premium, it becomes eligible immediately, just like any other premium contract. So upgrading basic to premium can help you reach the 3-contract threshold. If you have 3 or more active DS Core Care contracts under the same DS Core account, you automatically receive a 20% discount on your net monthly DS Core Care fees. This applies to all products with active DS Core Care contracts except prepaid contracts. There's nothing extra to sign up for. The discount is applied automatically as long as at least 3 DS Core Care contracts are active. If the number of active contracts drops below 3, the discount stops. Once 3 or more contracts are active again, the discount is reapplied. In case you're wondering, does this only apply to the 3rd contract and beyond? Not at all. As soon as there are 3 or more active DS Core Care contracts, the discount applies to all of them. Before we go into the details, please check with your local representative if the DS Core Care discount is available in your country, since we are continuously extending DS Core Care regionally. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.